Hi everyone, today I am here to give explanation about some basic Linux commands used in our coding. So these are case sensitive and these are two types, internal commands and external commands. Internal commands include echo, date and some other, and external commands include ls command, bc command, sort, head, tail, cal, etc. So we still have some other commands like password, uname, who, clear, tput, pwd, mkdir, and many. Nearly there are 50 commands. In those, some are really useful. So I'm gonna start. First we will discuss about ls command. ls is a command used to list all the files and directories in our working directory. So I am going with ls command. So we can see ls. Now enter. These are the files and directories present in our working directory. So you can see here q0, q1, q2, q5 and thales.py. These are some files and directories in our working directory. Next, if you want to view the hidden files, we can use the command ls space underscroll ls space minus a. So with this command you can see the hidden files. So these are some hidden files, vs code and .git dot. These are some hidden files. So to view the files in reverse order, we use command ls space minus r. With this command we can see the files in reverse order. As you can see, now our files are starting with q5, q2, q1, q0 and this is reverse order. Next, if you want to create a new file, we need to use touch command. touch touch. Then you can enter file name. I suppose I wanna go with hi.py. So space, so enter. So as we can see here, a new file is created with hi.py and we can use make directory, I mean mkdir command to make a directory, and touch is to make a file, that is a file, and mkdir is a command used to make a directory or folder. So with mkdir command, and here you can type any the name you want to give to that particular directory. So I want to go with hello.py. So as you can see, enter. So there hello.py, it is a directory form. You can see the symbol. That first one includes first one shows it is a directory, and the hi, q0, q1, q2, q5.py, these are files. So if you want to delete a particular directory, we use a remove directory. So rmdir space hrllo.py, enter. So as you see, there is no that such hello.py directory. So if you want to remove a file with rmdir, we can only delete our directory, but by using rm command we can delete either a directory or a file. Suppose rm space hi.py, enter. So it's asking us remove regular empty file hi.py. So we should give input as yes, enter. So as we see, there is no such file called hi.py. So as I told that we can remove both a file and directory by using rm command. So you can see here rm tej.py, hence it is a directory. I am showing that rm can remove both file and directory by using this example. So if you enter, rm cannot remove, it is a directory. Okay, sorry, it can only remove file. Okay, next I want to go with pwd. pwd is a command. It prints the current working directory. So when we use the pwd command, it just gives where we are working. That means current directory in which we are working. So workspace #186248603 is our current working directory. So next I want to go with clear. Clear is a command that clears all the text and output correctly displayed on the terminal. So if you use clear command, the whole data in this terminal will be gone. So it is clear command. Next, move command. Move command is used to move files or directories. And head is a command. It reads few lines of text in a particular file. So head, let me show. Head q0.py. Enter. You can see it will read. So it will read the text present in the file q0.py. And tail is also the same thing. Tail, it's take some time to load. So q0.py space. As we enter, it also reads the text that present in the q0.py. Here you can see that. Next, uname is a command. Taking time to load due to data network problem. It prints system information. Uname is a command which is used to print system information such as kernel version and architecture and kernel hardware name. So let me show you. Uname. Taking time. So the next command is echo. Echo is a command. When we use this command, it just prints the whatever it followed after the command. Suppose I'm gonna print echo columns hi world. Close the columns. So enter. So it just gives whatever the text we entered in the column. So next, date is a command. It just displays the current date and time. That current date and time when we are just using that particular command with day, date, month and time, everything. So enter. So you can see that it's Sunday, December 29 and time and year, everything. Next, the command I'm going to discuss is compare. Compare is a command which is used to compare two files byte to byte. If any difference is present, then gives the line number where there is a difference in the particular line in that particular file. So compare q1.py space and q2.py. So I'm comparing these two files. So enter. So byte 14 line 1. So we can see it's the first difference in that particular file at byte 14. It means letter 14 and line 1. Next command is com. It is used to compare files. Those focus on the common context. Those focus on the common context. For example, com q0.py space q1.py and put enter. Since there is nothing common in these two files, it gives everything. Let's leave about this. And grep is a function. It search for regular expressions across the multiple lines and files and used to search patterns in the files. We can use grep and next file name and what you want to search, and there are still many commands which are very useful like sort, vim, and uname, and password, who, cp, which means copy, mv, move, used to move files or directories, and many. So I wish these are some basic commands you need to learn. So thank you. I wish you got this. I think these are helpful to you. Thank you. Bye bye.